answer to those questions, that this dice will match for you. Okay, will match for you. Okay, let's start. If you can't answer to the question, you may move, but only one time. At first, read the question. When you read a book. Answer the question.
I wrote a book.
Wrote. Is it correct? Wrote. Maybe read. In the past.
I read a book.
You may use these time expressions. For example, 5 minutes ago.
I read
Last day.
a book. Saturday.
For Saturday, which preposition we will use?
Is name.
In, on, at. Which preposition we use for Saturday? In Saturday? Maybe on Saturday?
In Saturday.
In Saturday. Maybe on Saturday. And 6. We shouldn't speak in English. Let's count in English. 1, 2, 3.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
When was the last time?
Mm-hmm. You write.
I write yesterday horse.
I write a horse yesterday. Okay, okay, good. Next, and your turn. 4. Count 4 steps.
1, 2,
4.
When was the last time cut?
You cut something. Cut something. For example, maybe you cut paper. Cut it. In the past also cut.
I don't remember.
I don't remember. You don't remember. Okay, okay. Next, your turn, Halina. 3. Make 3 steps.